What's up guys, how's it going? Today we are going to be unboxing a Power Color Red Devil AMD Radeon 6600 XT. So let's see what we got here. AMD calls this a 1080p gaming beast. So let's take a peek. So we have the AMD RDNA 2 architecture. Alright, back plate, dual BIOS, dual fan, alright, display port, 2 of those, actually 3 display ports and an HDMI, seems to be the standard these days. DirectX 12 Ultimate, it is based on a 7nm architecture, have GDDR6 memory, PCIe 4.0, DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC, HDMI 2.1 VRR, not sure what that is, video streaming up to 8K, Fidelity FX, Radeon image opening, and it is VR ready. So let's take a look at the GPU itself. We have a tab here on the front, and top lifts off, have a foam sheet, alright. So we get a Devil, you are one of us now. Kind of cool little card, right? And installation guide, QR code. Alright. Get a Red Devil sticker here, kind of nice. And show us your rig, you can enter for prizes with the Red Devil card. Alright. Lift the card out of the box like so. This is actually quite a heavy card, and it does have pretty nice heatsink. This is metal on the outside, plastic on the inside. I believe those lines are RGB actually. Got the fans. And an 8 and a 6 pin. You know, this uses much less power than most cards do. Got the Red Devil logo right there, 2 display ports, and an HDMI there. So it is actually a decent amount thicker than 2 slot. You'll see it goes a bit over the top and a bit under the bottom. Nice heatsink also. Let's see, we got 4 heat pipes, it's looking like. Yep, 4 heat pipes. See what else is in the box here. It appears that we have a 3-pin RGB extension perhaps. So there it is there. Actually, you can plug that into the graphics card right there. That is for 3-pin RGB. Also, we have a BIOS switch right next to it. And yeah, this is a quite nice RX 6600 XT. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. We will see you in the very next video. Bye.